Hi everyone, I'm Sanjana and I run this YouTube channel. And today I'm going to share with you my 10 best blog promotion tips that have helped my blogs garner a lot of traffic. So let's start with this question. Do you spend most of your time writing your blog or promoting it? If you answered writing the blog, then you're doing it wrong. Let me tell you why. It said that, you should ideally spend 54 minutes promoting your blog for every hour you spend writing. To break it down for you, 90% of your time should be dedicated to promoting your blog and only 10% writing it. So, like, what's the point of writing brilliant content if no one sees and reads it, right? So, that's why it's important to promote your blogs, and that's what I'll be teaching you all today. So, let's dive in. My first tip is share the blog from the company's social handle. This tip is a no-brainer, and most of us will already be using it as part of our promotional activities. But let me explain it again. Let's say your company's social page has X number of followers, then why not make use of them? You can boost viewership for the blogs by sharing it on every one of the business social accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and you'll be amazed by the number of retweets, likes, and shares you'll get. And there is another perk to this. Like chances are thought leaders might be following your company account. So that means your blogs will be seen by them, and there are chances that they might share it with their followers as well. Now, while we're talking about promoting blogs and company pages, there are three things that are important to get engagement for your company's social pages. The first thing is sound like a person and not a company. A lot of us write company social posts in a very formal way. Please avoid it and try to be more human and sound natural when you write your company's social media post, right? Now, the second thing is to create buzz and hype on your company's social pages. For example, you could release teaser videos, give a good build-up of what you're doing as a company, boast yourself like the awards that you won as a company, funding news, and all of that. So this is apart from all the blog, webinar, ebook promotions that you usually do in the company's social page. And the third thing is try and post a lot of entertaining content. It could be memes that speaks to your audience, or if you could write your post with a bit of humor, nothing can beat that. So yeah, this is my first tip. And the second tip is share the blog from the author's social handle. I always share my blog post on all of my social media accounts. In fact, it's almost second nature to me. So I find this to be an excellent way to get more visibility and ultimately increase traffic and shares from my audience. Also, I always make sure to tweak each message for each social account to suit each social network, right? Um, and another tip I would like to give you here is to build a personal brand for yourself on social media and post consistently. Don't turn up when you have a new blog post to share. On days you're not posting, engage with other people's content by sharing and liking it or even commenting on other people's LinkedIn posts. Also, there's a general rule of thumb, right? For every promotional post, make sure you write at least two non-promotional posts. And the last step here is I include my blog link in all of my social media profiles. Again, this is a no-brainer, but easy to be overlooked. So my third tip here is take out 5 snippets from the blog and promote them. Thought you could just share your blog post once on all social media networks and call it good? No. The tip I'm now going to give you will allow you to extract snippets from different sections of your original blog content and share it on social media. Like it could be subheadings, stats, or even tweetable quotes from within the blog. So just schedule it to go live over the next few months with at least a week or two gaps. Use free social media scheduling tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, TweetDeck, etc. to schedule these posts. And this is also a great way to test which of the messaging will work with your audience. For example, you could test out what type of content resonates well with your audience. And the fourth tip is create a teaser video for your blogs. When I promote my blog post, I think of every way to drive an engaged audience. I usually create a blog teaser video and embed it as part of the blog intro section. I also make sure to share it separately on social media to promote the blog itself. This is again another great tip when it comes to promoting blogs. Now, tip number 5 is share it inside any communities that you're part of. So communities within social media are a place where people of the same interest connect, right? So what I would do is identify 10 such groups or communities where I can share my blog or even for that matter, my teaser video. Make sure the group is active and see if your blog would be beneficial to the community. If yes, then give it a try. You could be a part of paid communities, Slack communities, LinkedIn groups, or Facebook groups. So make sure you put them to use effectively. Now, tip number 6 is find relevant Quora questions. For me, Quora is this awesome way to connect directly with my target audience, solve people's problems, and include a link back to my blog. Like, how cool is that? You can do it too. Go on to Quora, type in questions related to your blog post, and you'll be surprised by the number of questions that are specific to your industry or that is specific to your blog. But a word of caution here, don't be salesy. Do this only if you think it will really provide value to the readers. Otherwise, you might be banned from Quora. Now, tip number 7 is publish images from the blog on Pinterest. Pinterest is undeniably powerful, which is why I've included it on the list. So what I would suggest you to do is pick the images you have featured in the blog and post it on Pinterest. Include 2 to 3 custom hashtags in your pins so people will only see your related content. And images that are red and orange have no face and have an aspect ratio between 2:3 and 4:5 have been known to get most repins when compared to blue or those with multiple dominant colors. So adding to that, keep your description slightly more than 300 characters as it is found to get the most repins. Now, tip number 8, boost your blog post with paid ads. Paying for sponsored ads to boost your blog post on social media channels like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter is a choice you should decide upon as it is based on your budget. For me, it is a great way to micro target my audience and boost the post I've already shared on these channels. So test out a few different posts to see which ones perform best organically, and then sponsor the ones with the highest click-through rate or engagement. Tip number 9, syndicate on LinkedIn and Medium. When I see a blog of mine that doesn't really get any traffic, I would syndicate that post on sites such as LinkedIn and Medium, as they're known for accepting high quality content to republish. If you have a LinkedIn and a Medium account, then make sure you republish your blogs on these platforms as well. But when you do it, please make sure you add a disclaimer saying that this blog was originally published on the name of the company's blog. Now, the last tip, turn your blog into a detailed YouTube video and slide share deck. So I think this is an important tip. After all, people prefer watching videos. So why not you reach out to them in a format they love to see? Also, you could embed your YouTube videos into your existing blog post. So it gives your audience a visual treat as well. And finally, before I go, if your content is doing well, then just rinse and repeat. That means you should promote it again and again as it seems to be performing well, right? So these are my top 10 best practices that every content writer should be aware of to promote their blogs. If you have any other tips to add, then please do leave a comment. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. See you all again and thank you for watching.